Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing assets you can legally use. This is non-negotiable. Find CC0 or royalty-free music cleared for commercial use and download original or licensed clips. Once done, catalog file names, licenses, and attribution text in a single doc so you don't scramble later. Make sure to get screenshots of license pages and keep purchase receipts. These protect you. Then import assets into your editor and organize them into audio, visual, and text bins so editing starts clean and fast. You now edit with copyright-safe transformations. Changing speed, recontextualizing, and adding new narration reduces claim risk. Start by trimming to unique moments and layering a voiceover that explains or comments. This creates new meaning, which helps fair use arguments. Then add original captions, logos, and motion overlays. These make the short distinct. Once done, render at 16:9 aspect ratio for shorts, check audio levels, and export a version with burned-in attribution if required by the license. You finish by uploading with explicit license notes and necessary attribution in the description. Clarity prevents automated strikes. Once live, monitor content ID and copyright notices for 48-72 hours. If a claim appears, respond quickly. Gather your license proof, timestamps, and the project file, then file a focused dispute explaining transformation or licensed permission. One troubleshooting tip: if content gets blocked repeatedly, remove the flagged element and replace it with a royalty-free or original alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.